I was looking into colleges because I wanted to transfer, and I discovered UCLA had a World Arts and Cultures department that had a dance concentration and a cultural concentration. And with my work with Local Bloco, I knew that that's exactly where I wanted to go, and I was going to strive and I was going to do everything possible to make that happen. And that I knew that that was a program that was for me, because I was going to actually be studying cultural dance forms, which is what I had been doing prior to that. So I was still at, the low basic math level, and I enrolled in a program called Math Bridge at City College in San Francisco. And Math Bridge was basically like an algebra basics course that you took every day with the teacher, and you had a tutor that was provided to you. So, and the program was geared towards people of color. And with my colleagues who were also in the class, we were all like high school dropout students, or, mothers, or, working class folks trying to get ahead. And so this program was perfect because we were all starting off on the same level. And our teacher was amazing. She basically had me fall in love with algebra, something that I was very scared of when I was a teenager and in middle school. I was afraid of like math. I loved English, and I loved, being able to write and stuff like that. But when it came to like math, it just wasn't my favorite subject. So being in this class with all these other students who were also, in the same sort of predicament was great, because we all sort of fell in love with algebra. And what was really cool is we would all go to the tutor. And so we were all together trying to figure out how we can actually getting good grades in the class and really learning and breaking down these equations. So after class, we would all go visit the tutor, who was provided for free. And we would sit there and we would just figure out the equations, figure out how to problem solve. And I fell in love with algebra, and I never thought I would, but I still have my calculator to this day, and I look at it and I open it up and I'm like, wow, like I really learned, so much from this particular course that actually saved me.